So the thing is that I just want to know that is there any like secret sauce when you get into YouTube automation all by yourself? Or is it like, no, no, we don't need that kind of experience. We can just like come up with the idea, start creating
Mm.
content, and then learn side by side. So what are you
Yeah.
what do you say about this at the moment?
I think what is just really important for anyone in whatever business model it is to know that usually there is no secret mechanism that makes you like a millionaire in 1 or 2 months, right? And
Yes.
that's a bit like a tricky thing because a lot of marketers, and honestly, like promote my school program too and my one-on-one coaching and the courses in there, right? But what marketers always do is like, I found this special way to do this. I found this way to do this. And yes, maybe they are unique ways to do things. But if it was really like a secret thing that makes you so rich so quick, then everyone would use it and it would like balance out immediately too, right? So
Yes.
usually it's just really about putting in the work, being in the game long enough, trying enough things. In this case, trying enough short channels, enough long channels, testing different niches. You have to understand the game, like how the supply and demand works on YouTube, how to find the niches, how to make a good video, how to make a good thumbnail. But usually there is not like one secret that will blow you up and make you like financially free and everything, right? You will just
Yes.
have to put in the time and the effort to understand the platform, understand what works, what doesn't work, what videos get good clicks, and what niches are working. And then especially with YouTube, it's really a lot about supply and demand. So what is right now in high demand that people want to see on the platform? What is in low supply? So not a lot of channels doing the same thing yet. And then you want to match that gap and find that niche. And then, yes, you can blow up really quick if you have a good niche. But usually it just takes a lot of work and understanding of the game to find those viral niches that you can then jump into if you have the experience with a quick team or good like skills yourself to make those videos. And that is just, I believe, in a lot of cases the thing. And this is also why a lot of people fail. They buy a program, they buy a course, they buy coaching, and they think, oh, this course or this coach is gonna show me some tricks and I'm gonna be a millionaire in a couple of weeks. And then
Yes.
it comes down to doing the work and they're like, oh shit, like my first niche didn't work and I uploaded 10 or 15 videos and I'm not rich yet. Like, what's going on? And then they quit. So many people quit after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and don't give it enough time to actually do the research, find the niches, test different things, understand what is going well, what is going wrong. And then as long as you keep going, you will at one point find that good niche and that good content that will go viral and make you the money, right? But most just quit way too early because they think there's a secret, but there is no secret.
Okay, so I think it's kind of like sense that as I was speaking earlier, you might have the sense to kind of like run a successful channel at the moment, right?
Sorry, what is your question?
My question is that as I was speaking earlier, uh, now I'm at a stage as a shorts creator that if I look into any shorts content, I can like quickly blow it up because I have a sense that what would work and what would not work. So in this case, do you have like you have that sense developed into yourself after doing successful YouTube automation at the moment?
So, of course, like I just said, like you get better at the game, right? If you see more
Yes.
channels, if you talk to more people, if you have more experience, you get better and you know quicker what works and what doesn't work. But it's never
Yes.
guaranteed still. Like I
Yes,
still
yes,
do
yes,
test
yes.
multiple channels a month and a lot of them fail too, right? So, yes, you get better, but you still, it's business. Like it's never guaranteed that something that you do will work or make you money when you are working in a business model like this, which is pretty high risk, so to say, because very often you invest in a team and videos and money, and you're not sure if you're going to get the views back to make that back, right? So it's a pretty high risk business model in a way, because like you just said, sometimes you mimic someone's channel that is very successful, but your channel just doesn't work in the algorithm. So yeah, you can guarantee the results always.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Casper, for your information. I get your point what you're saying. I really understand. Thank you for your help, Casper.
Bro, thank you so much for talking about your shorts channel. Amazing that is going so well for you, and congrats on that. I would love
Yes,
to learn more about it in the future too. So yeah, thanks for
sure.
sharing, man.